Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here, I will do my final semester evaluation test. I will explain matter 1 to the end. Hello everyone, I here introduce myself. My name is Hani Handayani, NPM 101-20146. I am part Manajemen C6. I'm come from C6. I'm studying Stie Stembi business school. C1 Manajemen study program. My hobbies are reading books and listening to music. And then my boss, a successful entrepreneur, and my parents be happy. I think it's enough my introduction. Thank you very much. Unit 2, my daily activities. Daily activities. I always wake up every 5 p.m. After that, clean my room and clean my house. While waiting for time class, I'm cooking for breakfast and help my mother. Moving, cooking, and cleaning my house. Unit 3, free time. My hometown. My hometown is in Cianjur. My hometown is the most comfortable place for me, the place where I was born and raised. In my hometown, the scenery is very beautiful. Many rice fields, plantations, and surrounded by green mountains make the air fresh. And the farmers who are always enthusiastic about working in the morning, and there we can do farming such as growing vegetables, growing fruit, and much more. It is also possible to sell from their harvest in Cianjur, which is very fertile for farming. Many people are successful in the farming. Therefore, the farmers are very eager to work in their fields, and they are very diligent, and almost everyone there is agriculture such as rice, wheat, and plantation. And in Cianjur, there is a place to get here with extended family. The place is called Cibodas. This place is very nice. The view is beautiful and comfortable. This place is welcome because the place is very nice and very suitable for playing and hanging out with friends and family. And I and my family often go to Cibodas every holiday. They are in Cibodas is very cold because it is close to the peak, and the place is already well known to many people. This is story about my hometown so much, and thank you very much. Unit 5, getting around. In my home, I like to go around tourist places like Cibodas. This place is the place I like the most. To the location quite far from my house, the road is rugged and winding throughout. several villages with beautiful and cool view. Unit 6. Shopping. I love shopping, and this is my favorite item. This doll costs 800,000. I really like having this done. So many explanations for me. Sorry if there are words that are not quite right. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.